What's good, e-bikers? So I brought this EUY S4 Pro Max to my local park here. We're going to go up that hill on this thing. Do a little hill climb challenge today. This hill up here, which is really steep up there. And then also we're going to take it up on that ridge, kind of a hiking trail / biking trail. And see how the motors do. So it should do really well. And going to bring you along for the ride today. So this bike's done pretty well so far. One issue I've been having on the display is sometimes the speedometer gets stuck, and also sometimes the turn signals won't shut off on me. So when that happens, I have to shut the bike off, turn it back on to clear it out, which fixes the problem. But it's one thing I've noticed so far with this. And the speed on this is about 2 to 3 mile an hour slower than it says on here, according to my GPS app anyway. So those are the two main things so far, but otherwise, apart from that, it's been an awesome e-bike to ride here. So we're going up to this hill up here. They cut down the meadow after the summer here, so that's what this is all is here. It's kind of a wild, just meadow. And we're going up to that hill up there, so it's almost like a sledding hill almost. It's pretty steep. So let's take this Pro Max 4 up there, or S4 Pro Max, and see how this thing does. It's got a nice suspension to it. It's got, I'm 6 foot. It feels a little small under my feet. So I think it's best fit for someone like 5'8" or below probably. But it's still a lot of fun no matter what size you are. So let's do S5. I got both motors engaged here. And let's climb over this thick brush to cut down. Things just pushing right through it. A little bit of a soft part there. Nice. So you just eats it up. There's some rocky terrain here. Okay, here's the hill. Let's see. What's going on here? It's just there. It's pretty steep though. We got leaf cover. It's a little slippery. It's on that little angle here. Yeah, it's having trouble with these leaves for sure. Alright. Didn't quite make it there. Slippery stuff here. You can see how far we've come. It's a pretty steep angle up here. And I love this view of the park. It's fun coming up here during the fall and winter. Let's go try another hill and come back at you. Nice. Alright, here's our trail right here. And here we go. This is going to be bumpy and rocky. But, man, the suspension on this thing is just nice. I get some of the, not a ton of leaf cover so far anyway. Supposedly there's coyotes in here. Oh, this thing is just zooming. Oh yeah. We don't hit a rock. We're flying. I'm doing 20 miles an hour through this shit. Nice. A little leaf cover over here, so it's slippery. you want to buy this bike, I'll put a link in the description. Every time you click that link and purchase, I make a tiny commission, so help out the channel there. Appreciate that. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more e-bikes coming your way in 2025. I did about 40 e-bikes last year, so including this one. And we'll see if we can top that in 2025, so stay tuned. Oh yeah, this thing is like, you just gotta keep a steady hand on these handlebars so you don't feel those to slip out under you there and on these leaves. Oh, look at this going up the hill here. Eats it up. Eats it up. Come on. Look at that. Like a rock. Oh yeah. Oh. Eat it up, baby. Oh yeah, we're flying now, 25. Oh shit, slow down. Watch out for those trees. This thing is fun to rip through these woods here like this. Look at this. Got a corner here. Come on. Come on. A little bit bumpy. Oh shit. Slipped on the leaves there. Oh. Can't see what's underneath. Uh-oh. Got a tree in the way? We do have a tree in the way. Bummer. Wasn't here earlier this year. No worries. Nice dirt here. Rocky crop. Wee-hoo. Get some. Get some, boys and girls. How about that? Gotta love it. It is super quiet out here. There's no wind. It's about 58 degrees, 57. Oh, here comes a car. Let's take another look at this tail light on the S4 Pro Max. There's your headlight, and we got the neon smoke gray tail light back here. It's always on when the light is on, and coolest tail light ever so far I've seen in the e-bike world. So gotta love that. These are the turn signals here. Just a really fantastic tail light. Whoever made this, thumbs up, man. That was a great idea, and it's a perfect application for a bike like this, I think. Alright, I got a little bonus hill climb here. This is like a good 15% grade right here. So let's see how this bike does. I'm not going to pedal at all. 15. Oh man, it's 13. 13 was the lowest. Just sucking it up as we start to level out here. So great job, EUY.